Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to increase volume of voice prompts on your headphones Audeze Maxwell. You have to start by open Audeze application, then click on three lines at the top. Now click on settings. And on the second line we have a voice prompt, so just move to the right to increase it. 75 it's okay for me. Oh no, even 50 it's okay for me. And now, if I'm turned on my headphones, I can hear a voice prompts. Here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!